Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. Both parties, as they are now in discussion and talks to come out with a seat-sharing pact. You have a setback for the Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana. Amid the alliance talks, one of the AAP netas has said to have joined the Congress party. Ex-Delhi Mantri Rajendra Pal Gautam has joined the Congress. Now, how much of an impact will it really have on the alliance partnership? Not too sure. We're going to try and get an expert opinion on that. But in the latest, we hear that ex-Delhi Minister Rajendra Pal Gautam has formally joined the Congress party, and that's the image that we see on our screens here. Amid the alliance talks between the AAP and the Congress for Haryana, here's the Delhi Minister, former.
कि मैं नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलने आया हूं। उस नारे ने दिल को छू लिया और उन्होंने जो कहा कि संविधान की रक्षा करनी है और देश में सामाजिक न्याय को आगे बढ़ाते हुए सभी वर्गों को उनके जनसंख्या के हिसाब से हिस्सेदारी भागीदारी मिलनी चाहिए, उस बात ने प्रेरित किया कि इसी बात की तो लड़ाई फूले, साहू, अंबेडकर, पेरियार, डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अंबेडकर जी ने लड़ी है पूरे जीवन। और मैं खुद 56 साल का हूं, लेकिन 43 साल की उम्र, 43 साल टोटल मेरे इस मिशन मूवमेंट में सामाजिक न्याय के इस आंदोलन में लगे हैं। और मुझे आज याद आ रहा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जब एक गाना गाया करते थे, और वो गाना आपको सबको याद होगा, इंसान से इंसान का हो भाईचारा, यही पैगाम हमारा। लेकिन उस गाने की एक लाइन है जिसे वो नहीं गाते थे। वो लाइन है, नए जगत में हुआ पुराना ऊंच नीच का किस्सा, सबको मिले मेहनत के मुताबिक अपना अपना हिस्सा। अगर वो हिस्सा नहीं मिलेगा तो कहीं ना कहीं हम धोखा दे रहे हैं। और इसीलिए मुझे पहले मेरा संघर्ष इस बात के लिए हमेशा रहा, आम आदमी पार्टी में रहते हुए भी, कि सबको उनकी मेहनत के मुताबिक जिम्मेदारी हिस्सा मिलना चाहिए, मान सम्मान होना चाहिए सबका। उन्होंने जो मुझे मौका दिया 2 बार विधायक लड़ने का और बहुत बड़े मार्जिन से 2 बार जीत हुई, मंत्री बनने का मौका दिया, उसके लिए तो मैं उनका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। लेकिन मेरी लड़ाई कहीं और है। सामाजिक न्याय के मुद्दे पर, जाति जनगणना के मुद्दे पर, हिस्सेदारी भागीदारी के मुद्दे पर कहीं ना कहीं आम आदमी पार्टी चुप्पी साध लेती।
Okay, so here we have some clarity on the ex-Delhi minister Rajendra Pal formally joining the Congress in the national capital. How much of an effect would it have in the alliance talks in Haryana? Maushmi brings us more on that. Maushmi, Rajendra Pal joining the Congress party from the AAP right at a time when AAP is trying to enter an alliance and seal seat-sharing pact for Haryana. What statement does it give out, and will it have any impact really?
You know, Nabila, I would say this is siyasi mausam, it's the elections and chunavi mausam perhaps, with the Ayaram, Gayaram netas peaking at this time, that entire trend. We all know the love-hate relationship that the Aam Aadmi Party shares with the Congress. Somewhere they are sworn enemies and somewhere they are the best of friends. So in the House, in the Parliament, they are all teaming up together, and on the streets of Delhi, they are teaming against each other. So that's the dichotomy that the India Alliance, perhaps need to address time and again, and that's what we see, a reflection of it today at the AICC headquarters with an AAP joining the Congress.
Maushmi, thanks very much for joining us. I'm also bringing in Amit Bhardwaj on this. Amit, in Delhi, the state that you track very closely, Rajendra Pal joins the Congress party. He was an Aam Aadmi Party neta, ex-minister. What prompted him?
Nabila, he's speaking out his mind as well right now, but those will be the political comments. But I am given to understand through the top sources is that Rajendra Pal Gautam was feeling suffocated within Aam Aadmi Party, especially after, particularly after he was made to resign as SC/ST Minister of the National Capital in October 2022 after a controversy over a Buddhist conversion ceremony in the National Capital. And he has actually spoken about that fact as well. While he was entering that AICC chamber where he's joining the Congress party, he told me that, leave alone Rajendra Pal Gautam, but if the ideology and vision of Periyar and Ambedkar is not implemented, their idea of society is not implemented, then there's no point of me doing politics in that particular party. So clearly, in a very guarded manner, he has said what he had to say about Aam Aadmi Party. But more importantly, he's saying that, I'm joining hands with the Congress party because of the caste census plank of Rahul Gandhi. I'm joining hands with the Congress party because of Rahul Gandhi's vision of Mohabbat Ki Dukaan and his politics against caste and religion, politics against the politics of hate of caste and religion. So these are the reasons that are being cited by Rajendra Pal Gautam right now. But certainly, he was sidelined within the party of Aam Aadmi Party. Back to you.
Amit, thanks very much. We will continue tracking those developments.